Today we would do experiment for the glass ball. The purpose is to grind and polish the center of the circle to achieve a mirror effect. Cold mounting the samples with epoxy resin. Place the glass ball into the silicone mold cups. Don't put too much in, avoid aggregation of small glass balls, cause fragmentation due to collision during grinding. Pouring epoxy into silicone mold cups, pour slowly along the edge to avoid scattering the glass balls. Place in a pressure mounting machine to remove bubbles. When the time is up, take out the sample. Because of the high hardness of glass, use resin diamond grinding disc to grind the specimen. Put in the sample, set the grinding parameters and start automatic grinding. During the grinding process, edge the resin diamond grinding disc with grinding stone to ensure the grinding force of grinding. Observe the grinding position with a microscope to avoid overgrinding. After grinding, remove the resin diamond grinding disc. Install the silk polishing cloth. Clean the polishing cloth before use. Spray the 3 micrometers polycrystalline diamond suspension. Add 50 nanometers colloidal silica suspension. Conduct the mechanochemical double polishing. Put in the specimen and start plain grinding. Remove the silk polishing cloth. Install the final damping polishing cloth. Clean. Add 50 nanometers colloidal silica suspension. Put in the sample and start final polishing. Finally, observe the final polishing result with a microscope.